guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So in today's video I have another kinky curly wig for you guys. This time this video is brought to you by CurlyMe. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this wig together and hearing my thoughts on this wig, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so you saw the intro and everything, so I'm gonna get into the specs of this wig. So this is a MCAP wig, and with the MCAP I've shown you guys this wig this construction before because I recently did a review for CurlyMe in October and I was very impressed with that wig. It's a 9x6 Swiss lace, Swiss HD lace. It's more comfortable with a 3D dome design to fit your head, and it's more snug with an ear-fitted C-shaped design, and it's more secure with added removable clips. I have their kinky curly hair texture and I have it in 18 inches when it is stretched. You guys saw what the MCAP construction looked like and everything. I gotta say, this is what I expect from a luxury company or a human hair company that is like more expensive when it comes to packaging. They pay a lot of attention to detail. If you're gonna invest money into a human hair wig, I think down to the packaging needs to be on point. It needs to feel like a luxury experience. And I gotta say, they really nail it with their packaging and their attention to detail. So shout out to CurlyMe, because that's important. Like, if you're going to be dropping several $100s on a wig, you want it to feel like you made the right investment with the company that you chose. This is what the wig looks like, and I'm going to go ahead and try her on. It does have pre-cut lace, and like I said, this is a 9x6 closure wig, so it should be easier to apply. Oh, it's pretty loose, so let me tighten the adjustable straps or the elastic band. So this is just right on my head, and the lace is laying really flat. It just needs to be tinted, and the lace to me needs to be trimmed back a little bit. But I'm definitely going to be wearing this glueless. So my first order of business would be I'm going to pull it down on my forehead, and I'm going to cut some of the excess lace off of the front. So that's much better. So I am going to take my contour and I am going to take this tissue paper that comes with the wig, and I'm just going to dab some on there and take off the excess there. It blends in so much better with, you know, little effort. Okay, so I don't want the curls to be this perfect. So, I'm cool with them being defined, but I don't want it to be this tight. I want them to be softer. So of course I'm going to use my Shea Moisture Frizz-Free Mousse here. and I have styled this wig, so I'm going to get into the pros and the cons of this wig. I'm going to get into the cons first because there's not very many with this wig. My thing is, tinting this lace is kind of a trial and error with this wig. And like even now, if I tilt my head in certain directions, it's gonna be a little bit ashy, but that is like it's gonna vary from person to person with how you tint your lace, but it is depending on how you tint your lace, it's gonna work for you or not work for you. Like in certain line of situations, it's gonna look ashy, and then in other situations it'll be like just right. So I did use my contour to tint my lace. I did a glueless install for you guys because this is a very easy wig to wear glueless, and I've noticed that with a lot of CurlyMe wigs. But of course, to me, melting your wig down always gives the best application because it's going to be like melted into your skin. And I did use a new product that I told you guys I was going to use like a couple of months ago, and this is the 𝐂𝐮 Wonder Lace Bond Lace Melt Spray. This is the yellow bottle, so this is the extra mega hold. So it says secure hold, no residue or buildup, and it protects your edges. Is really on there, and you guys saw I didn't really spray a whole bunch of it on there like I normally do with my 𝐂𝐮 spray. At some points I was just kind of dabbing some on my finger and then tapping it on the lace, and the spray has a really good hold to it. I'm just gonna spray water on it and take it off after this. Of course, I don't sleep in my wigs. I've done that a couple of times, but I really like to not have a wig on my head when I'm sleeping. So with these, you know, temporary adhesives like this one or the 𝐂𝐮 Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray that I always use, I just use water in a spray bottle and then it comes off safely without ripping out my edges. So the only kind I had was just like tinting the lace was kind of difficult, but this lace is very thin and it melts very well. The cap size, I don't know what size cap this is. I had to adjust the elastic band in it because it was pretty loose. This is a big head friendly cap. Whatever cap size that I have is big head friendly. I did a sunlight test for you guys. In low lighting, you'll be able to see the lace a little bit, and it's more so because of the color to me. And I think that's because I had to go in so much with my contour and try to conceal the lace and make it less light and ashy. So you'll see it in low lighting, but of course when you get in that direct sunlight, it's like perfect and the sun fills up the lace and it just looks more natural. But in low lighting you can see my lace in certain areas. But this is still cute, and this is a good quality wig. This is a company I would add to my list of like, I'm impressed with the quality that they create. So if you're interested in this wig, just know, I know this is being posted on Black Friday. Check out the deals that they have going on. Check out the other wigs I reviewed for them. I do highly recommend this company because I've been impressed with the wigs that I've tried. So if you're interested in this wig, I have it linked in the description box along with any discount codes. And shout out to CurlyMe for sponsoring today's video. And shout out to you guys for tuning in. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and you're enjoying your holiday season. If you have not yet, please consider subscribing before you leave. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.